Alright, now this video is going to be a long one and it's the final one. So let's create our app and finally upload it to the store. We're going to start by generating an app bundle. So we're going to head to Android Studio, you're going to click on Build, and then Generate Signed Bundle, which is the first step right here. And make sure you select Bundle, not APK. You will be asked to generate a key for your app. Now this key is very important and you need to store it somewhere safe and keep it updated or at least backed up somewhere. Because every time that you're going to upload an update for this app, you will be asked to use the same key. To generate the key, simply click on Create New. You will see this page. Make sure that you select the path up here. It will ask you where you want to store this key and also to name it. So choose a name and choose a location. And then fill up this information. So the alias, which in this case is key 0, and make sure that you choose the password up and down, and then fill the information down here. And when you finish, click OK. It's very important to choose Export Encrypted Key for enrollment publishers apps in Google Play APK signing, which is the last box right here. This will allow you to export the key and to keep it somewhere with you. Again, choose the browsing option so that you can choose where you want to store your key. And then choose Next. You will see this page. Simply choose Create. And then you will see this notification, which says Generated Signed Bundle. Click on Location so that it shows you the location of the bundle in your browser. And this is your APK, which is basically your app in a format that Google can view and edit. So now we're going to head off to Google Play Console and we're going to click right here which says Create App. Fill the details, simply your app name, the language of the app, and is it an app or game, and whether or not it's going to be free or paid. I would recommend making it free with ads and in-app purchase. And then click Create App. Head to Production and then click on Get Integrity Protection and then you will get this page. Simply choose the blue button and then click on Internal Testing on the left side and click on Create New Release and then upload your app bundle right here. And once you finish, click on Next. You will see this page. Click on Save and Publish and then you will click on Testers, and the testers are the ones who can enjoy all the features of the app for free. So you can include emails of your family or friends, or for people who are testing the internal app function. In this case, it also includes you. So make sure that your email is also included in this list. And then in the left side, click on Monetization Setup and copy this long license number by clicking here. You're going to go to Android Studio, click on page 1, and in the bottom, you're going to see a string-based 64 key, which says AAA public key for purchase, which is this text right here. Select it, click Ctrl Shift and R, and replace this text with the text that we just copied from the Google console. It should look something like this. Now head back to Google Play Console, and on the left side, it says In-App Products. Click on Create Product. Make sure that the text in the top says Remove Ads with this exact spelling. And in the bottom, you can rename the product details of whatever you like. The best thing is just leaving it as Remove All Ads and Unlock New Features. And then in the bottom, you can set a price for your in-app purchase. Just put whatever number you want and then apply prices. And once you finish, click on Save. And then click on Activate. Now go back to Android Studio, and in the left side, choose the Build Grade Module App tab, and you're going to have to change the name of the version code and the version name. Make sure that it's higher than 1. So just set 5 or whatever number you want, and then click on Sync Now. And then we're going to generate a new signed bundle. So the same way that we did before, simply click on Build, and then Generate Signed Bundle. You will follow the same steps, click on Next, and finally export your signed bundle. And then head back to Google Play Console, and in the left side you're going to see it says Production. Click on that and upload the new signed bundle. Once you finish, click on Dashboard in the left side don't click on next and save, simply click on dashboard. And if you scroll down, you'll see some of these tabs right here which are great, and you have to finish all of these tabs. So we're going to start with the first one, which says set privacy policy. And for this one, you're going to have to head to another website called Privacy Policy Generator, firebaseapp.com, which is this website right here. Just simply put your app name right here and fill in the information as follows. You're going to select free and next. The app is an Android, and then we click next. Select individual or company and put in your name. Then click next. And then choose privacy policy. Click on the blue button which says deploy to Fly Cricket. Create an account and click create and deploy. And then you will see this page, and this is your privacy policy. So on the right side it says get link, click on that and then copy the privacy policy. Head back to Google Play Console and then paste the privacy policy and click save. You will see this page. Click not now, as we have a lot of other stuff that we need to finish in the dashboard. So we're going to head back to the dashboard. And as you can see, the set privacy policy tab is already finished, as it has a check mark next to it. So we're going to choose the next one, which is app access. In our case, all the functionality is available without any private access. So choose that one and then click save. So we're going to head back to the dashboard and click on ads. And then choose yes, my app contains ads. And then head back and click on content rating and then start questionnaire. And then fill in your email right here and choose the last option. And then choose the check mark which says I agree to the terms of service and then click on next. You check the options, the ones that fit mostly with your app. In this case, simply no for all of them. And then we click on save and then next. And then head back to the dashboard. And then click on target audience and content and choose the age of the target audience, in this case 18 and over. Because if you choose it to be less than 18, there will be a lot of more options that you need to fill out, and it's honestly not worth the trouble. So just leave it as 18 and over, which is the best way. And then click on next. You will see this page, and then you're going to head back to the dashboard and then choose the tab that says news apps. Click no, because our app is not news app. And then we're going to click on save and head back to the dashboard. And then we're going to click on data safety. You're going to see this page and then scroll down. Choose the options that I'm choosing right here and then click on next. And in the bottom, you're going to see device or other IDs. Click on this one and then click on next. And you're going to see this page and choose the same options that I'm choosing right here. And then click on save. You will see this page, click on save, and then you're going to head back to the dashboard. Choose the government apps tab and click on no, and then save and head back to the dashboard. And choose the financial features tab. Choose the one that says my app does not provide any financial features. Click next and then head back to the dashboard. And then click on store settings. You're going to see this page. Click on edit in the first one right here. You will see this page. Choose the app and then choose the category that best fits your app and then click on save. And then you're going to click on manage tags. You will see this page. Simply choose the ones that fit your app best and then click on apply. Scroll down more. You will see another edit tab on the right. Click on that one. You'll see this page. Fill in your information and then click on save. Then you're going to head back to the dashboard and click on store listing. You will see this page, which is the one that will be placed in the Google Play Store. So this is what the users will see. In this case, the app name is Deep Sea Creatures. And for the description, we're going to head back to ChatGPT and it will create a description, a short and a long one for our app. This is how it's going to look like. We're going to scroll down and you're going to put your app icon right here where it says app icon. And right down to it, you're going to see features graphic. And this one's going to be placed when the user sees the app using a laptop or a computer. So in this case, it's going to be wider. And it's also, the template is also available with the template for the app. So we're going to upload that one as well. And then we're going to head back to Android Studio and back to our app. So we're going to take some screenshots, which we will use for Android Studio. In this case, just make sure that you choose some interesting or intriguing features. Simply take some screenshots and save them somewhere. In the Google Play console, we're going to upload our screenshots. And you can use the same screenshots for the 7-inch tablets and the 10-inch tablets. Or you can create new ones if you want, but it's generally better to use the same ones. And then click on Save. And then head to Production, and then click on Countries and Regions, and choose Add Countries or Regions. Click on the first tab right here, and then that's going to check all the countries. And then click on Save. And then click on Edit Release. Click on Next. And then Save. And as you can see, sometimes you will see one issue or some issues that are found. In this case, we have one issue found. So click on View Issue, and it will give you the issue right here. It says that we did not complete the declaration for ID declarations. So simply click on the blue button right here, click on Yes, and then App Functionality, and click Save. And then click on the blue button, and finally send the changes for review. You will get this page which confirms that you want to send these changes for review. And that's it. You will see that your app right here is in review. Now you'll get an email sometime later saying that your app is approved, or maybe they will ask you to edit something like the pictures or maybe add some text or something. But in this case, that's it. You just finished all the steps and you're just gonna have to wait for an email to arrive.